So next let's add a widget. Let's add this one again. Over the next column after the container, and here we can add the message you want to type. Hey, wish you happy birthday. Like that, right? And we have to change the color to black. Right? Now let's restart the app. Now let's open the app. See, here we have got this. Now let's reduce the font size to 14 or 16 and the font weight to 400, and wrap this with a widget container and add a padding. Okay, here let's add padding. Edgeinsets dot all 20, or let's add 5 is enough. Okay, now we have, and then here let's add more space. So we just need to add the confetti